So that's sitting on the data center floor. You'll get used to doing this. If you ever become a network engineer, you get used to this whole. So we started to get some activity again on the management and the HA interfaces. The firewall is still just showing as power. There's nothing else showing on any of the other lights. Everything else is showing as off. So we will wait whilst it still keeps running through. And then, if needs be, I'll connect the console cable up as well and have a look, and we can keep an eye on the boot process. That's a good sign so far.